Right then, Lady K, you wanted me to do a video on the problems I was having. Basically, the updates for Windows Defender weren't installing, and it kept recurring over and over and over again. Trying to reinstall it so many times failed, even though it told me it had installed. But if you have a problem with your Windows updates, they fail for whatever reason, there's mainly just really a couple of things you can do. The first one to try, the most simplest to try, is just go to all settings. I'll do this slowly so you can follow the mouse. Update and security, troubleshoot, and you get the internet connections, no, not internet connections, Windows update. There, run that. You'll be prompted to click next and this, that and the other, blah blah blah. I did it, it's pretty much piss useless. So that's something you can run. 9 times out of 10 it doesn't fix anything, not in my experience anyway. So the fix I did was, I'll show you in a moment. One thing to note, I still have problems with my Windows update in that I am on a previous version of the Windows Insider on my other machine, not on this one, and it doesn't want to pick up the latest version, so I'm probably going to end up doing a clean install again. But the problem that I wanted to fix, where the updates were stuck, it fixed. So I'll quickly run you through that now. So if you want to follow the mouse, just run down here to your start or Cortana, whichever. I prefer to use the start. Type in services. You'll see it appear there. Just hit enter. Now what you're looking for in this list here, is Windows Update. I like one of them in it W, and it brings you, rather than scrolling all the way down. So you want Windows Update. There. Right. Take note there, it says it's running. If it isn't running, you don't need to do anything there. And if it isn't running, when you right click it, right mouse button, the start will be highlighted and the stop won't be. But if it's running, it'll be just as this is. Click stop and it'll show you a little progress bar. It's stopped. You can now close that. Now what you do is you go to your C drive, which will be your Windows installation drive. I don't know how you'll get there personally, through the file browser down here or whatever, but I always have this shortcut on my desktop, so I double click this PC. Right, I have 2 Windows installations, as you see, one on C, one on D. This particular one is on D, that one, because I've got 2, one's the Insider, one's the normal version. In my instance I would click D because I'm on the Windows Insider at the moment. You would click C. You would click C and go to Windows. But me, I'm going to click D and go to Windows. There. Open it, double click it. Now you're looking for a folder called Software Distribution. When you're in here, it's easy just to type in soft and it'll highlight it for you. Double click that and open it. Now you're looking at the download folder. Ignore the other folders, just the download folder. Download. Here there are items of your previous updates, and probably the ones that are stuck as well. So if you go up here, select all, delete. I would normally just right click and delete, but you can just click delete. Now I'm not going to do that because I don't have that problem on this particular machine. It's the other machine that's connected to the TV behind me. So I'm going to ignore this little step and go out with that. So you would delete them, they'll go to your recycle bin. If you're stuck for a bit of space on your hard drive, empty your recycle bin by all means. So we can close that now. We'll presume that's been emptied. Just go back to your updates and check for updates again. And if any of them were stuck, they probably won't be stuck now. It fixed it for me, but like I say, I still have a problem in that it's not seeing the latest update, which is the insider release 17046. It seems to be stuck on 17040 at the moment, but that's it. So hope that helps you out if you do get stuck with any updates. I think that's about it really. This particular way of doing it, the last one I showed you, not running the troubleshooter, that generally tends not to do very much. But that version of doing it that I've just shown you, stopping the Windows updating services, then clearing out the downloads folder in software distribution, generally works well. To be honest, it's never done nothing for me, it's always done something, it's always worked, apart from this particular problem I have with the version download of the insider release. So hopefully that's something you can refer back to, and hope it helps you. Thank you for watching us, and if you like our video, no, I sound like you. Okay, hope that helps. Bye for now.